Hey everybody, this is my channel. I started as John's Gold and Silver and then I was taken down. So now this is my first official video being back on YouTube, okay? So pretty excited to be here. This is a channel for anyone that's interested in cryptocurrencies, stocks, gold, silver, making money in leveraged ETFs, any kind of thing like that, you know? So if you're interested in making money, please hit the follow button, hit the like, subscribe button. So today the markets were mixed. The Dow Jones was actually up 299 points to 39,134. So the Dow is almost up at that 40,000 mark again. It's going to be knocking on the door of all-time new highs again. So, and I do believe the Dow will hit all new time highs. I think the Dow is going to somewhere between 45 and 50,000 by the end of the year. So that means we can make a lot of money. The S&P is 5,473, and then the NASDAQ is 17,721 today. But the big story here is going to be gold, all right? Thanks for joining up, everybody that's with the live. The big story here is for gold. $2,359. So gold is just starting to move up again. We saw it hit 2,430 not too long ago, and now we're right back up there again, pretty much just under 2,400 right now. So the driver for gold is going to be economic data. All the market participants, the big institutions that are looking to buy more gold, the banks, they're going to be looking for negative data, all right? Because when we have more negative data, proof that the economy is slowing down, that means that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in order to boost the economy, okay? This happens all the time. It's part of the economic cycle, all right? Interest rates come up, then they come down. So when they come down, this is going to be our main opportunity to take advantage of gold, silver prices, as well as crypto mining stocks. And cryptocurrencies themselves are going to go up really high. And many commodities are going to start to soar, all right? So the time is now, basically, to really start dollar cost averaging into a lot of these stocks, okay? Like Petro Brazil, WTI, HUSA, you know, Bitfarms, TeraWulf, okay? You know that one of my bigger holdings was TeraWulf. So yes, when those interest rates come down, people are more likely to buy non-yielding assets, all right? Because if interest rates are low, then people aren't going to be getting a huge yield. If interest rates are low, that means that inflation is going to be beating your yield that you're getting. Inflation is going to be higher than the amount of money that they're paying you for having your money locked up in that treasury bond or whatever, okay, or CD. So investors are seeing the future here. They're seeing that interest rates will come down. That's why gold is going up right now. And that's why silver is going up too. Silver recently made a double top at $32. It hit 32 and then it came down. Then it hit 32 again. And then we were down in the 29s. But now a little bit more economic data has come out showing that we're not really moving forward. The economy is not getting better, okay? So gold and silver have recently, just today and over the past few days, started moving again. And silver is back up to, I believe, $31.60-something cents. So silver is looking like it could be making a big move up again, up to like $35, $36. But we're gonna wait and see. There's only one way to tell. It's time. So thanks for everybody that's in the live. I'm doing my a YouTube video right now, recording this. And after the show, I'm gonna shut off the camera. After the show, we're gonna do a TikTok after party. All right. So I'm gonna answer questions for anyone live on TikTok after this. And I may be doing that every day, all right? Maybe doing this every day. So what I'm saying here is there's going to be a massive opportunity to get in on non-yielding assets. Silver, gold, platinum, all right? As well as cryptocurrencies. Cryptos are non-yielding assets too. So a lot of money is going to flow from dollars to non-yielding things like cryptos, gold and silver, things that are thought to do well during times of inflation, all right? So yes, silver is actually $30.72. And the best way to play silver, if you are interested in what I'm saying to you today, is to buy the AGQ. All right, it's called, I don't know what it stands for, but It's AGQ. This is the way to make the most money in silver. Aside from buying options, you could buy options in AGQ too, and then you make even more money. So yeah, you could definitely do that. That might be a very smart play. Buy out of the money calls, AGQ, $50 calls. That'll get you rich if silver goes to 50. You'll be rich. That's a real play. There's probably lots of smart guys making that play right now, getting long calls for 6 months out for AGQ. You heard it here first though. A lot of these other guys, they won't tell you what to buy. But I'm telling you right there. Options on AGQ that are 6 months out, way out of the money. $50, $60. You could lose all your money, but you could also get rich. This is the name of the channel, getting rich. So one thing you need to understand is in order to get rich, you're going to have to take on some risk, okay? Whew, good, the video started. Yes, you're going to have to take higher levels of risk. Options are risky because you can lose everything you put in, assuming you don't sell and the options expire. Then you will lose it all right? Now, I don't know why anyone would do that. You should at least try to get some of your money back, I'm a big believer in stop losses, so that if the price of it goes low, you'll have a point where you sell it and you take whatever money you have, whatever money you want back. So that's the value of a stop loss. A lot of the people that we see that get into these penny stocks and supposedly high-flying stocks that are pump and dumps, a lot of these people end up losing huge money because they don't use a stop loss. I mean, it's that simple. I've seen people lose thousands and thousands of dollars, and the first thing I ask is, did you think about using stop losses? And they'll say, no. Or they'll say, I thought about it, but I didn't want to because I was advised not to by another YouTuber or something. But no, we can definitely use stop losses. It's the smartest thing you can do here. So I want to say something about portfolio management, how you should allocate your assets. So there's absolutely no one in the live right now, so hopefully something will happen. Somebody joined, okay, yeah. So there's a lot of different people that tell you to invest your money in a lot of different things. They'll say you should put this much into bonds, this much into your 401k, this much into precious metals, this much into stocks. And one guy, he's got a good channel, Cryptos Are Us. He says that you should invest all your money into 50% Bitcoin, 25% altcoins, I believe, and then another 25% in meme coins, okay? But you guys need to think about this seriously. Who of you would want to go with this strategy? Hopefully none of you, because this is not diversification. It might seem like it's diversification because, oh, you're putting 50% in this, 25% in there, and 25% in there. But the thing is, it's all crypto. It's all crypto related. So that's not diversification at all. It's all in the same asset class. So this is something I want to advise people against, not to put all your money into one asset class. I advise you to spread your money around. You should not have everything into crypto. And I know that's what a lot of younger people want to do. They say, oh, that's the way to get rich, put everything into crypto. And that may well work. It actually may work. I'm not going to lie to you and say that's never going to work. If you put all of your money into crypto, it may work. Yes. But the smarter choice would be to put some money into crypto, some money into commodities, some money into the general equities markets, Tesla stock, Google, Apple, some money into ETFs. The WEBL is the Internet Bull, the LABU is the biotech, there's the TQQQ, there's the SOXL, the semiconductor. I think these are all potentially great investments, okay? Now, a lot of them are much higher than when I told you about them at first. Oh well, that's the way it goes. But we still have room to run in a lot of these things. So you can make money in more than one place. You don't have to be all in crypto. Sometimes the bigger gains are actually going to be in the stocks. Sometimes these penny stocks are the best way to go, to buy options in these penny stocks. That's how you get the most leverage, is to buy out of the money option calls. This is also really risky for new investors. That's why I try to get people to join the Patreon, where I talk a little bit more about options, how to buy them, how to go fishing for them, pay the right price, and then how much time to get, because when you're buying options, they're going to expire. You need to have enough time for your underlying asset to go up in value, for that stock to go up in value. Okay? And that's basically it for today. This is my first video back. So I will be ending the video now and doing the after party. Please remember to subscribe to this channel if you want to make money. Alright? We got the gold, the silver, we got the crypto, we got the Shiba Inu. I hold 89 million Shiba Inu right now, okay? I also have other crypto holdings. You can check those out on my Patreon for $5, alright? And you guys have a great night.